TikTok Lite fast safe on paper. Does it actually work? So, marketed as leaner, faster TikTok for low-end device and unstoppable network. So here, the promise: compact TikTok for bad networks built for constraints, and the core payoff: lower data storage usage with quicker loading, so you can still get the full TikTok Lite feed and streaming experience. So the number behind the faster plus lighter: 20% less data use, data saving while streaming video per Google Play listing, and 30 MB download footprint, lightweight design, target low RAM phones. Offline mode: catch videos can play even on slow or unstable network, idea for commuters and low connectivity areas. So the safety trade-off: what Lite leaves out: no proactive user control for filtering offensive contents or keywords, no warning banners for dangerous pranks, health misinformation, election misinformation, or AI-generated content. Over 1 billion downloads globally, but unavailable in the US and most of Europe due to regulatory concerns. So, yeah. So the fastest method that works with one big condition: use TikTok Lite when your priority is speed and data saving on constrained network. Up to 20% less data and offline catching make it a practical choice. Which to main TikTok when you need stronger safety guardrails, content warnings, and misinformation labels, and user controls that light version omits. And there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it in the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible, guys. See you guys in the next one, and thank you, guys.